What is mindfulness? Hi, I'm Anjana Verma and I'm an emotional wellness specialist. A lot of you have asked me what is mindfulness and how do we do mindful meditation. Mindfulness means being in the moment, bringing our concentration to the moment, that is, to that very second. Now, for us to understand that, we have to go back to our kindergarten, what we learned in kindergarten about the five senses. Did you know that there are many researches where it is shown that 11 million piece of information is brought into our brain through the five senses. Only a fraction of it is converted. So there is so much of information coming in, right? We cannot compute all the information. And if we start doing that, then we'll be totally overwhelmed. Still, we are trying to cope with it. So sometimes we get a lot of stress because we are trying to compute most of the information that is going around, and that will make us feel very overwhelmed. So at that time we can try to be mindful. So being mindful is bringing our concentration to one particular senses. So what we do in mindful meditation is we try to concentrate only on the other senses, which is not a dominant sense. The dominant sense is the visual sense and the auditory sense. Most of our information is brought in through the visual sense and then the auditory sense. So we listen to a lot of things and we see a lot of things and we get the information inside. So in mindful meditation, what we do, we close our eyes. So half of the information from outside is stopped, and that way we are able to concentrate more on the other sense. What we do in mindfulness is we are refining our concentration. So we're stopping mindfully, we are stopping ourselves from all the visual bombardment of information that is coming inside, and then we are mindfully trying to concentrate on only the listening skills and the kinesthetic skills. So when you do a mindful meditation, you go inward. So most of the time when you close your eyes and sit for the meditation, your inner voice keeps talking, right? Your mind voice keeps talking. So you're able to concentrate and understand whether your mind voice is negative or positive. From there we will be able to rectify. So if your mind voice is always talking negatively, then you can convert it into a positive way of thinking, and that will enhance your level of confidence and your level of self-worth. So this mindfulness meditation and being mindful helps you to live in the moment, to be in the moment. You can practice this very easily. You don't have to sit in a very particular place, and it doesn't have to be quiet. You can actually practice mindfulness anywhere. The easiest way is to just put on some nice music that you like and just close your eyes and sit there till that one song is over. And trust me, you will feel very refreshed because you are only concentrating on that beautiful music, and that will give you a nice feeling. It will refresh you. So on that note, take care, stay blessed, and be mindful. Thank you.
If you like this video, please share it with someone who would benefit from it. Thank you.